Peira kakagising lang. Si Ate Sienna, ayan. Actually, dito kami guys, sa Burswood City kasi WA Day. Yung WA Day usually ginagawa siya June 2, pero maulan kasi lagi, hindi natutuloy yung event. So, alam niyo ba guys, pag summer dito, ang daming langaw. And the street. Sabi ko kami, pag naligaw ako, doon lang ako pupunta sa likod ng tent. Malapit sa concert area. Visit ng mga langaw itong pupunta sa bibig ko. Ganyan yung mga langaw dito guys. Actually, di pa naman siya sa loob ng bunganga ko. Ako sa lobby pa lang, di pa siya pumapasok. Ito yung silent disco anyway. Kasi yung silent disco guys, ano lang siya, naka-headphone ka lang. So mukha ka lang tangin nagsasayaw mag-isa. Punta kami dito sa may mga
Hey, you want slushy?
Si Enna, maybe she's hungry. Iniwan muna namin yung nakapila sila dito. Bibili sila nito, slushy. Iniwan namin dito yung trolley tsaka yung pram. Daming tao guys. Peira, that's yours na. To make sure. Peira, you like your slushy? Huh? Can I see? Ate, you like it? Hanap kami ng kakainan guys. Si Wayne hirap mag-decide. Ang dami kasing tao. Super crowded really. Look at the people everywhere. Diba? Hindi mo akalain ganyan karami ng tao. Asan na si Wayne? Sabi ko wait. Baka mawala ako. Lahat ng mga pagkain may mga pila. Nahirapan ako kasi tinutulog ko si Peira. Ayun, daming tao. May show din dito. Ayan. May stage. May nilang si Wayne. Gusto niya yung Eskimo Joe. Dilim no? Madilim yung area. Ang dami talagang tao. Tamo, nasa ibang area naman ako. Bawat lugar isa lang people. Ang ganda ng sunset. Kaya ang dami nagpipicture dito. Andito siya sa off the staging.
Woo! Alright, well, it's wonderful to play a show at home. We love it. And one of the great things you can do is invite some of your friends to come up on stage and play a song with you. So we would love to invite Mr. Noah Dillon, who played earlier tonight, to come and play a cover with us. Where is he? Such a beautiful boy. Alright.
People pay a lot of money for those curls.
How's it going?
This is a song by a band called In Excess, and it's called Don't Change.
Napunta kami dito. Ito yung mga toilet. Ang dami. Ayan. Lahat yan toilet. O, diba? Ayan yung mga toilet. Balik na kami kila Wayne. Maraming tao. Tapos maraming event.
And most recognisable West Australian animals. Our state emblem, the black swan.
And look at that, Eliza has found a friend. While swimming along the cold coast, don't be surprised if you're joined by a majestic manta ray, enjoying the warmer waters of our pristine Northern Ocean.
Nothing says welcome to Broome like a line of camels walking along
Camel?
the beach
There's a
at
camel
sunset.
in the Broome?
This scene has been photographed
Walking the
and
camel.
across the world, making one of our regional towns a world-renowned travel destination.
Robbie Shaw. Wait.
100 years.
Yeah, no, has tree.
Special thanks must go to our generous supporters. All these events possible.
All our major supporters play a vital role in supporting the WA celebration.
Look at the smoke, Sienna. Look at the smoke.
This guy look like Halloween.
Ay, siya shape. Oo.